Hey folks, just wanted to provide you a little update on the workbench that we made, the pegboard, also attached a light, and then also a power strip on the side for easy power. There is a space between the pegboard and the framing. A little better shot of that space between the pegboard and the framing. So what I ended up doing was jumping on Maker's World. Found a gentleman, goes by the screen name Cal. He had printed off these spacers. These are, not sure what size they are, but the design themselves, there's about 15 to 20 different spacers in there of different sizes. Printed some out, found the ones that work, and then we're using these spacers to stand off, so that way it's mounted on there. It is as solid as it's going to be, and got that. And then also got the power strip on here. I believe the screen name is Allen Low 21. Had this mounting bracket for a power strip. Worked out pretty good. I mean, there is some movement in this. The floor is not 100% level. However, it is a pretty solid. We've already done a little bit of gunsmithing on here, and the table's worked out awesome. So, all right, and that's your little update on the workbench. Working out great. Until next time, stay buzzed.